Hey traders, what I'm going to do now is take you through the System Portfolio Manager spreadsheet. So basically what we've got, and I'll just minimize the view on this, basically what we've got is a spreadsheet that we've developed up that will help us track your overall system performance using multiple systems on your portfolio. So basically what we've got here is the data in the first lot of cells A through to W is data directly from TradeStation. So all we've done there is basically we've gone into a TradeStation performance report, saved that as an Excel file, and then copied that data into this area here. So anytime you're putting any data into your portfolio spreadsheet, you're basically copying the trade list, and I'm going to show you how to do that shortly. But the first thing I want to do is just take you through the spreadsheet and just explain what's included or involved in the spreadsheet, and then you can start utilizing it to your advantage. So just here we've got system number 1. I've loaded up crude, which is system number 3, and you can see there that on just to offset to the right here are the performance stats on crude. Traders, so you'll notice in the top right hand corner, just in column X, you've got the starting balance for crude 10,000, a profit of $6,690, and our dates are set to start from the 17th of January. So on this particular spreadsheet, the systems will run from the 17th of January. So daily loss $270, number of trades 94, and our average trade net profit $71.17. So if we go to our next system, you see here we've got system number 54, coffee. That's running with a balance of 10,000. The profit so far has been 12,755. You've got a ending balance for 22,755. Max drawdown 2,000. Percentage drawdown 14.8%. Max daily loss 580. And you've got number of trades 121, and then an average trade net profit of 105.42, which is excellent. So we'll keep going through here. So you can see here again data from the 17th. So anytime you're putting in your performance report, or your trade list, you've got to you definitely want to start it from the 17th, which is what this spreadsheet is calibrated for. Your cell, then basically it'll automatically populate the data onto the right hand side. So just walking through the spreadsheet again, there's another system number 57, soybeans. So system number 57, soybeans. System number 50, which is the S&P cycle. System number 58, we've got system 56, which is the reversal. 61, the euro reversal on an 8 brick Renko, 7 brick Renko. And then system 62, we have copper, swing trading strategy, and you'll see here that this is our KH is basically our portfolio analysis. So we've got $10,000 registered for each system. There's 10 systems, $100,000 being traded. You can see there that the overall money management strategy based on, well, the overall performance of combined strategies is 225393. You've got a max drawdown of $3,086, and you have a maximum drawdown of 3.1% on the portfolio. Maximum daily risk is 1465. Your average, the total number of trades is 337, and you have a average trade net profit of 372. Now over here you'll see we've got our delta. So we have a money management. This is our money management column. And you'll see here, this is really where we apply our money management model. And whatever obviously you're going to base your delta on your max drawdown, and you should have by now, by this stage, if you're using the spreadsheet, you will have gone through the money management program and understand clearly what kind of a delta you want to use as far as your overall money management. Now traders, you can play with this. What typically happens with our portfolio analysis is that a general rule of thumb is that your drawdown a conservative fixed ratio would be $1,500, so half of your max drawdown. But as you can see here, as you modify your delta, it's automatically modifying your contracts portfolio backtest. So basically, if you want to opt for a higher delta, say a 2,500 delta, then obviously your overall performance will be a lot less. That's your net result after. That's your net result applying the delta of 2,500 on the money management. So the higher the delta, so if you take that up to a 5,000 delta, then obviously your money management is going to be a lot slower, and your overall profit's going to be a lot slower. If you have a 10,000 delta, then you're really going to see that very, very small, significantly less in your overall net profit. So, and you can see over here that we've got a switching system, so we'll take that back to a 1500 delta. We have a switching system built in as well. Giovanni's put that into the spreadsheet for us. So he's done a super job here. So you can see here that crude. Now we might want to say just lock off all our future systems. So we'll take all those off and just run our Forex. So we'll take off the swing trading futures. And you'll see here that we can see that our Forex systems have produced $3,568 worth of drawdown, a total of $78,000 worth of profit, and average trade net profit of 233. Now we might say, right, well, let's just have a look at how the Euro systems have been trading, and we can see here the Euro systems have been trading, but they definitely have a high drawdown. So having that cycle trader in there, which we'll put back in, helps us to reduce our drawdown, takes it back down. And if we then add, say for example, the S&P, we'll see what this does to our drawdown. Knocks our drawdown down to 3,200. We add in coffee, say, we turn coffee on, takes it down a little bit more. Crude, sorry. If we add in coffee, takes it down, and then we add crude in, down a little bit more, and then you've got soybeans, takes it up a little bit, then the Russell back down, and then we have copper back down again. So traders, that is the switching system, so you can use that to your heart's content. Tracking 10 here at the moment, top 5 futures Forex, and you'll see as we scan across, that's a bit of a breakdown of how the systems have performed. So you can see there that probably the top ranking system as far as average trade net profit is down here at copper, and then you've got soybeans there at 122, coffee at 105, so some really good strategies there. And if we scan across to our performance here with money management, obviously with a delta of 1500, and we'll just double check our delta's 1500. Yeah, delta of 1500. The money management is around about 1.16, so that's huge on the money management. And you can see our max drawdown on the portfolio running there at 3.1%. So super. This is a very valuable resource. And the other thing we're going to look at is just basically having a look at what it's tracking. So you've got your daily pilot system, so that's your overall profit and loss for the daily pilot systems. You've got your cumulative balance, your drawdown, so your dollar drawdown, then you've got your percentage drawdown on that account, then you've got your pilot system daily risk, so it's just giving you an idea of what your daily risk is, because we need to track that, accumulated profit, and you can see here that then you've got the positions for your money management based on your delta. So nice, easy, clean spreadsheet. And just tracking your systems and your risk per day, which is fantastic. We want to be on top of that. So thanks for your time, and I look forward to catching you in the next video update. Cheers.